The Toyota Land Cruiser FJ45 pickup model 2025 is a remarkable blend of classic styling and modern engineering, delivering an exceptional driving experience for both off-road enthusiasts and everyday users. Its design remains true to the rugged spirit of the original FJ series while incorporating advanced features that make it relevant in today's automotive market. The exterior of the FJ45 2025 boasts a bold and commanding presence, featuring a high ground clearance, sturdy metal bumpers, and robust wheel arches that enhance its aggressive and durable look. The signature round LED headlights combined with a matte finish grille add a touch of modernity to its timeless design. This model is available in a range of earthy tones like desert sand, olive green, and graphite gray, giving it a classic yet adventurous appeal. The steel body panels and reinforced chassis ensure that the truck can handle the most demanding terrains with ease. In terms of suspension, the 2025 FJ45 pickup is equipped with a state-of-the-art multi-link rear suspension system and heavy-duty coil springs on all four corners, offering exceptional shock absorption even on the roughest trails. The advanced dampers and stabilizer bars provide a smooth ride without compromising off-road capability. Whether navigating rocky paths or cruising on the highway, the suspension system ensures a balanced and comfortable driving experience. When it comes to road grip, the FJ45 excels with its all-terrain 18-inch tires that provide excellent traction on various surfaces such as mud, gravel, and sand. The advanced 4x4 drivetrain system with low-range gearing enhances its off-road prowess, making steep climbs and challenging descents feel manageable and secure. Electronic stability control and traction control systems further improve its handling, ensuring confidence and safety on slippery roads and sharp turns. The braking system, equipped with ventilated disc brakes and anti-lock braking technology, delivers strong stopping power even in demanding conditions. Speed and overall performance are optimized with the inclusion of a turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 engine that produces an impressive 310 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. This power plant is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth gear shifts and responsive acceleration. The FJ45 pickup can reach a top speed of 120 miles per hour, and its towing capacity stands at an impressive 7,000 pounds, making it suitable for both recreational and work-related tasks. The fuel efficiency of 20 miles per gallon combined offers a good balance between power and economy, a crucial factor for long-distance travelers. The interior of the Toyota Land Cruiser FJ45 pickup 2025 is designed to offer both comfort and practicality. The cabin features premium materials such as soft-touch leather upholstery with contrast stitching, giving it a refined and upscale feel. The dashboard is modern yet minimalistic, housing a 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A digital instrument cluster provides vital driving information with clarity. The climate control system ensures optimal comfort regardless of weather conditions, and multiple USB charging ports are strategically placed for convenience. The seat color options include classic black, sand beige, and dark brown, allowing buyers to choose according to their personal style. The seats are ergonomically designed with adjustable lumbar support and heating functionality for added comfort during long journeys. Overall, the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ45 pickup successfully marries its rugged heritage with contemporary features, making it a versatile and reliable choice for adventure seekers and professionals alike.